Hello and welcome to Pop Along RC. Today we take a close look at some of the tub chassis touring cars available on the market today. You can't really talk about tub chassis without talking about the Tamiya TT01 and TT02 cars. This car here is the Tamiya TT02, set up with a brushless 17.5 turn motor with quite a bit of alley upgrades. The original car is the Tamiya TT01. Again, this car has got several upgrades fitted and also running a brushless system. Lots of option parts are available for these cars. Now, recently we've shown you the video of the FTX Banzai drift car, which we have converted into a touring car. This is also a tub chassis car. The only change we have made is adding a Spectrum radio gear to give us the option of slowing the car down for our really young drivers. But this is a little bit new. We have a new youngster at the track today who has got hold of a Maverick Strada TC. These cars come as brushed and brushless cars, and this version is the brushless car. Again, has a tub chassis, brushless motor, ESC, servo, transmitter and receiver are all included in the price, with a nickel metal hydride battery also. The transmitter is a lovely looking transmitter, and it has the feature to change the endpoint adjust, so you can actually slow the car down for those beginner drivers. It has got some options for lowering the car so that you can get better performance. So there you go, 4 different varieties of the tub chassis cars.